You are going to love 2012 Patriot. The Jeep Patriot is unmistakably a Jeep. It looks like a cross between a Jeep Liberty and Jeep Compass, or maybe a 3/4 scale version of the big Jeep Commander. The Patriot has plenty of room inside for any size family. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, brake assist, compact spare tire, electronic stability package, fog lamps, FWD, halogen headlamps, rear stabilizer bar, speed control, rear window defroster. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.